So before they started truly adopting and implementing simulation in their day-to-day workflow, they were relying on legacy designs and a lot of empirical knowledge and hand calculations that was leading to, poor assumptions and poor design decisions. And they weren't really able to iterate multiple design parameters and test different what-if scenarios efficiently. But once they started using simulation, the speed of, design optimization and all the iterations that they had to do, dramatically reduced. And they were able to validate their designs much more successfully and try different design variations to make sure that they're seeing optimum thermal management for both their component and system level designs. So once they started bringing simulation into their process, they were able to respond to bids much faster. They were able to present performance-backed designs to their own customers, which allowed them to win more OEM contracts, and it shortened their development cycles considerably, reducing R&D costs for them.